principal focus, a point on the optimal axis of the objectives, whereas entering the telescope parallel with optimal axis are brought to a focus. Profile leveling, the operation of determining elevation of point at short measure distance allocated line. Protractor, an instrument used for measuring and constructing angle. Range pole, a pole with steel point painted with an alternating bands of red and white. Rodman, a person whose duty to hold the rod and assist the levelman or topographer. Solar observation, an observation of the picture of the sun's its its position and diameter as a basis of determining the azimuth, latitude, and longitude. Stadia, an instrument used for finding distance from level to point on which rod reading is taken. Staff compass, an instrument used to determine location and usually placed on the Jacob staff for stability. Staking, the operation of making limits with pointed piece of materials driven into the ground as a marker. Survey line, the path or road between points of control along which measurements are taken to determine the distance and angles. Surveyor compass, a magnetic compass mounted on the tripod and equipped with sight beam. Survey sheet, a record that contains the distance, slope, and location of the survey lines, including the objects as a reference or station found in the surveyed area. Tachometry, the rapid method of determining the horizontal distance and difference in elevation by employing the by employing the geometric properties of the instrument used. Tape, a graduated flexible plastic ribbon used for measuring distance. Theodolite, a transit designs for high precision measurement. Topographic map, a type of map that indicate the relief of the ground as such a manner, elevations of which may be determined by inspections. Topographic surveying, a type of surveying which made to secure the field data such as relief, elevations, and location of natural and artificial object. Transit, an instrument, an universal instrument used principally for measuring the vertical and horizontal angles, for measuring distance by stadia and prolonging straight lines and mounted on a tripod. Traverse line, a series of consecutive lines whose length and directions are known. Triangulation leveling, a method of determining the vertical angles and horizontal distance by employing trigonometric functions on a right angle.